What keeps military aircraft flying high, even in the midst of a global conflict?
The complexity of maintaining these engines is not solved by advanced technology alone, but by the determination, resilience, and creativity of the people working on them.
These engines are like giant intricate puzzles. Each piece must fit perfectly together for the whole system to work.
Now imagine that this puzzle still needs to be solved whilst in motion and possibly active warfare. That's the challenge I face every day.
As a deployed lifecycle engineer at Rolls-Royce, working on the TP400 engine for the Airbus A400M aircraft, I've had the privilege to contribute to some remarkable advancements, from leading projects that enhance our maintenance, repair and overhaul capabilities to supporting critical military operations.
My journey so far has been both challenging and rewarding.
Not only have I managed to balance a full-time role with a master's degree apprenticeship, I've also led initiatives that drastically reduce overhaul times and improve engine reliability.
But I'm not here to make incremental improvements. I'm here to transform the way we approach engineering challenges, making them more resilient and efficient.
I led an effort to extend the operational life of engines used in a conflict zone. This required analysing complex data, communicating across various teams, and ensuring the engines could perform reliably in demanding conditions. Working collaboratively, I helped to improve our inspection capability, acquiring new equipment and trialling new inspection methods to reduce overhaul times by over 50%. My commitment to advancing engineering practices has also led to notable achievements, being the first female to pursue a Master's Apprenticeship in Engineering at Rolls-Royce and receiving nominations for leadership schemes, are milestones that reflect my dedication and impact in the field.
This was a testament to how small innovations and acquisitions could lead to big improvements. There's a misconception that engineering, particularly in high-stakes environments like defence, is solely about technical skills. While expertise is crucial, it's the blend of innovation, leadership, and the ability to think on our feet that truly drives success. Breaking traditional moulds and embracing new approaches can lead to extraordinary outcomes.
Whether you're considering a career in engineering or looking to innovate in your field, remember that success comes from a mix of hard work, ambition, and perseverance. Think boldly, challenge the status quo, and explore how you can make a difference in your own way.
The future is bright for those who dare to dream and act with determination.